Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to use Grammarly citation generator. So let's get started, guys. So firstly, make sure that Grammarly is enabled in your device, or let's say the plugins or let's say extension is already added in your Google Chrome. Then we can get started. So let me just search something. Let's say a topic, football. Now you can see I have this over here, so like football's definition and everything. Now on your left hand side you'll see the option which says get citation. Now just click on it, and then you'll have this citation over here which is APA. So now you can copy it from here directly, and it's citation copied to clipboard. So that's how you use it, guys. So that's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys to get citations, use the citation generator. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And if you have any queries, just comment down below. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.